All right, what's going on, guys? This is Chaz, Altitude Chaz. It is Monday, I guess, late afternoon. It's about 3:44 here in California. I just wanted to hop on real quick and go over just this real quick SPX scalp we did today. Hope everybody had a happy holidays. It's what, the 28th, 29th? I don't even know what the date is, but hope everybody's Christmas went all right. Hope you guys got to see your family. We didn't do really much. Me and Stephanie kind of just like hung out. We did our own gifts and whatnot. Saw both of our families just for a tiny bit, but all right. Anyways, this right here is just the intraday. Obviously, here's so it's 28. Here's the intraday on SPX. This is today's 15-minute chart, and I'm just gonna go over the trade we took. It was a little later in the day, and this literally correlates exactly with my 1-hour SPX video. So if you guys want to check that out, I have that in the recorded sessions and also in the new member info channel on Slack for all the members watching this. All right, so let's just take a look at SPX intraday. Obviously, we opened, we had this little ramp, we did a little flag right here. I wasn't really looking at SPX much early, but just this candle close on this 15, that could have been a trigger for an entry right there around the 29 level. Obviously, because we closed over this, that confirmed this little miniature flag. If it was a 5-minute chart, it probably would have been a more defined flag. But obviously, you can tell that just from looking at the 15. That could have been an entry there. And obviously, the next candle, it did take us up about 5 points. But I'm going to get to where we actually took it. So into about 7:30, we kind of topped out here at that 37.36 level right here. And then we chopped around between 36 and 33 for about 3 hours up to about right here. And this red candle right here at 10:15 a.m. West Coast time, this is when I put it in the room, and I actually put it on Twitter that I was looking for a close over that on the 15 to get long just for a scalp via the 37.40 calls. And then obviously this next candle came. I actually ended up entering on this candle. But some people in the room, after they saw my execution on the trade, they waited, and it was a very smart wait, because obviously this next candle, we came down and retested this breakout level, this 36 right here. There was resistance, and right here, this is literally almost exactly what you want to see if you're going to be scalping the SPX 15. This candle right here, you see it came down, it wicked, it retested that 36, and it defended. So if you were watching it like in real time, right here. Right when this started to wick, that would have been the prime entry, because I think those calls dipped down to about 160 at this point. I entered them at 2, but they went down to about 160 here, and then obviously we wicked back up and defended. And from here, this right here is perfect entry. I was a bit early. There were some people in the room that actually did it perfectly and waited for this retest, and right when it started wicking, they joined me. And obviously the targets on this. It was a quick trade. I didn't really have any price point targets. I was just looking for some increase in value on that option. We ended up holding it for about 45 minutes. So we got out near these highs at like $3. We kept. I actually trimmed, I think, 3 separate times, and then I had I raised my stop up to over break even on the last piece, and the stop hit somewhere around here. I have no idea, but I did mention that it was a hard stop. So there was that. But again, just this 15 break right here, this is what we were looking for. I started looking at it right around here. We got that break. That was my entry. And then obviously this retest. This was a perfect entry right there. And again, we didn't get 50% on it. It wasn't a crazy multi-bagger trade, but for a 45-minute trade, sticking to exactly what we know, we got the break, we got the retest, we get the entry here for the long. 45 minutes later, we're up 50% on that trade. First trade of the week for me. I'm going to take the win. I'm not mad at it. That's about it. That's all I really wanted to talk about on camera right now. I just wanted to show you guys exactly what I'm looking for when I'm watching the intraday SPX 15-minute chart. Congrats to everybody in the room that did take that trade. I think a few of you on Twitter might have, because you asked me for my levels, and I think I said the 36 level was my key. And that's about it. I'm going to get in the room and get to the chart requests in a bit here. And I'll probably update some swings that I'm watching. But yeah, that's all. I just wanted to hop on right quick. Hope you guys have a good rest of your Monday.